This is the Heathkit DX 60. Came out in the mid-60s. Maybe that's why they named it the DX 60. Well, the DX 40 didn't come out in the mid-40s, so I guess that doesn't work. And the DX 20 certainly didn't come out in the 20s. And the DX 100 didn't come out in the 100s. And that's probably the end of the Heathkit DX series. Anyway, we're going to show you that this DX 60 works. And the first thing I'm going to do, I have it set up on 40 meters. I've kind of pretty much tuned it up, but I'm just going to show you that it does work. It's hooked up to an illegal dummy load. Very illegal, because you're not allowed to buy incandescent bulbs anymore. And I'm going to show you that it works. So we're going to put it in the tune position. And we should have about 2 mils of grid current, and we do. We're driving it with a VFO. We're gonna peak that up a little bit and bring it down here. Okay, so we've got about 2 mils of grid current. Throw it over in the plate position. Throw this over into CW, and I've already pre-tuned it, but you dip it, and there you are. And then I'm going to throw it into the phone position, and we'll probably pick up a little bit of feedback. This is the only band I'll test it on the phone position, because if it works here, it's going to work everywhere. So there we are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. As you can see, puts out lots of juice. It's peaking up at 100 watts here, but I wouldn't believe that meter because who knows what the SWR is with a light bulb, or the impedance or reactance. So that's it working on 40 meters, and so I won't do that again on phone. We're now going to switch it over to 20 meters, and we'll show you that it works on 20 meters. Put this in the tune position and see how much grid current we got. Not a lot, but we'll peak it up on tune and hit the drive there a little bit. I'm going to bring this down to 0, the loading, and then we'll put it in the tune CW position. Put this over in grid, and then we need to dip the final. There we go. And bring this up, and as you see, the dummy load is lighting up, and we bring it up a little more, and there we are. And there we are on 20 meters. We'll flip this over to 15, see how we do on 15. Put this over to tune, and peak up the driver there. Let's get it up to about 2 mils, about 2 mils of grid current. Put this down to 0. Put this over to plate. Throw that over to CW. See if we can dip the final here. There we are. And then bring this up. This is 15 meters. And bring it down. And it's a little balancing act here as we bring the final tank circuit to resonance. We're peaking up over 100 watts, but again, that's not accurate, but the bulb should tell you that there's plenty of power in there. We will now try 10 meters. A lot of times you don't get much drive on 10 meters, but we'll give it a shot here. Put this over to tune. Don't see a whole lot there. And bring the drive level. I'm going to bring it all the way up. There we are. There we go. We got plenty. We got enough. Okay. Put this all the way down to 0. Put this over into the plate position. And let's see if we can peak here's our dip. Bring up current a little. Bring it up a little more. Bring it, and down we go. And down we go. And I think we've kind of reached our peak here. And oh, we got a little more. On 10 meters, actually, we got a lot more. Okay, that's about it. Okay, so that's 10 meters. That's pretty good. Now we'll try 80 meters, and we'll see what we get on 80 meters. And doesn't show much drive there, but let's peak it up. Okay. think the VFO is not, there we go, it's not, okay, we're on 80 meters here, we're on 80 meters, got the VFO over on 80 meters, got a lot of, let's cut that drive level down and pick up the tuning here. Whoa, we got plenty, lots of juice. Let's bring the loading all the way down to 0, throw this over the plate, put that over into CW, and dip the final, bring it up, dip it again, bring it up. Okay, so you can see the DX60 works. How about that? Works pretty good, actually.